Hi, I'm Alex with Saddleback Fence and Vinyl Products. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to adjust your gate. And what the tool you'll need is some type of adjustable wrench, or an opening wrench would be fine as well. So as you see here, we've got adjustable hardware. It's both hardware on the top and the bottom are fully adjustable, as you can see. So anytime you're going to need to adjust your gate is if you notice over where the striker bar meets the lever, it's either sagging a little bit or settling a little bit. It's pretty normal for a vinyl gate. And the way to fix that is, so for instance, if you have some drag here, what we're going to do is you're going to loosen the back nut that you see here. So loosen it up all the way to the very end. And this nut here will push the gate towards the post, which would raise the striker bar up. So go ahead and wrench that a couple times. As you notice you're doing that, the striker bar starts to rise. And you can get it up as high as you can to where it nicely closes. There's also an adjustment on the bottom as well that will allow the same thing to take place. So by adjusting that, it pushes the gate that way, which raises it up. So that's the gist of it. If you have any further questions, you can feel free to give us a call at 714-966-1227. Thank you.